How to recover deleted photos on Google Photos. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can recover deleted photos on Google Photos. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step here is you will need to have your Google Photos. So open up your Google Photos and from here, let us delete some pictures. So let me just delete these two pictures. And let's say I have deleted them. And after deleting the pictures, now if you want to get those pictures back, what you'll need to do is you can actually head over to your trash album. All of the photos will at first head over to your trash folder and you can simply, recover them. So head over to the collection section, and after you're on the collection, you'll find trash. Tap on the trash option, and if you refresh, you'll get your photos here. So as you can see, only items deleted from Google Photos will show here. They will be permanently deleted after 60 days. So let's go ahead and delete these pictures again, since the previously deleted pictures did not work. So let's move it to trash. That is deleted. And now let's head over to trash. And there we go. There is the picture. Now you can actually restore it. As you can see, the restore button, and tap on restore and it's restored. Now you can head back and locate the picture wherever the picture was. So yeah, there we go, it's back again. And that's how you recover deleted photos on Google Photos. Thanks for watching guys, that's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.